Volkswagen Jetta 2012. Customer has this type of key. Original one was broken, and other service just take ignition out, put new, make a key like this, and it's not looks pretty. We made a new one. Now we go to program it. Also, this key was made it right now for open and close the door, because customer don't take it. Now we in the process to make a dealer key. Dealer key generated successfully, and now we have to learn key into the car system. We will learn two keys. As we can see, first one was learn it. Put second one. Second one learn it. Remote. And the next step will be remote. First one learn it. Second one learn it. No. Okay, job is done. Check what everything work. Lock and lock. Engine start. Your fob was broken, or you need a spare. We are here.